Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. Dr Nandipha Magutumana's brother Nkosinathi Sikeleni has come out to put media house to shame and revealed that the woman we saw in court on Monday is not his mother. The press believed and concluded that the woman we saw in court crying is Dr Nandipha Magutumana's mother, especially after seeing the good doctor blowing kisses to the woman. Nkosinathi, who was the very first person to try to speak out and expose his sister, spoke to Time Live and said that his mom was not in court on Monday. And this is what he said, and I quote, "It is upsetting to see and hear people talking about things they don't know. My family is going through a lot, and this issue of my sister and father has affected her health badly. It's upsetting to see people saying that my mother was in court. My mother is at home. She can't travel long distances. The woman people are referring to is a relative of ours and not my mother," said Sekeleni. And Dr. Nandipha and her father were in court on Monday to apply for bail, and unfortunately, Dr. Nandipha Magutumana's bail was denied, but her father got released on a 10,000 rand bail. Now, there you have it, guys. Please do engage with me in the comment section below. Also, subscribe.